Mongoose and the Baby. This is a well-known story which centers around a Brahmin and his wife who were blessed with a son one day. The Brahmin considered getting a pet for the kid as a way to both guard him and provide him with a companion. He started looking for the pet and came across a mongoose. He took him to his residence. The Brahmin's wife was first hesitant to accept a mongoose as a pet. However, she later consented to it. The kid and the mongoose became fast friends. The Brahmin and his wife began to care for the mongoose as if it were their own kid. However, the Brahmin's wife was usually cautious about the mongoose being near the kid. The Brahmin's wife had to go to the market to buy vegetables on one specific day. She instructed the Brahmin to look after the kid. The baby was comfortably resting in the cradle. The Brahmin then proceeded to seek charity. He assumed the mongoose would take care of the baby. The Brahmin's wife returned a few hours later and noticed the mongoose at the entrance. His mouth was fully smeared with blood. She assumed that the baby had been attacked by the mongoose. She tossed the basket of veggies at the mongoose right away. She dashed into the room in search of her baby, only to find him still sleeping peacefully in the cradle. However, there was a dead snake on the floor that had been bitten. Then she realized that the mongoose had fought and killed the snake in order to save the baby. She ran back to the mongoose after realizing her dreadful error, only to find him dead. The Brahmin's wife sobbed openly after killing the faithful mongoose.